friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos from shopping hauls to styling services. Either way, I'm spending too much money, so if that sounds good to you, please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you for your comments and feedback. It is very, very much appreciated. Now today I have my third Stylestarter box. And this is quickly becoming one of my favorite subscription boxes. If you don't know what Stylestarter is, it is an outfit in a box. You pay an upfront fee and then your stylist essentially picks you out an outfit and sends it to you in the box. And I think it's usually like a top and bottom and an accessory and then an extra freebie gift. Now if you just buy one box, it is $45 plus $5 shipping. I have now prepaid for 3 months because I love it and I know I'm going to want it for at least 3 months, and that was $115, so that averages out a bit cheaper. Again, $5 for shipping. Regardless, this subscription service, you are not going to get the premium brands. This is like somebody going to the mall and picking you out an outfit, which I love. I like shopping, I like clothes from the mall, and if somebody wants to pick me out an outfit from the mall, I am all for that. So I am very, very excited to dig into this, and like I said, this is quickly becoming one of my favorite boxes. I do not have a referral code or anything like that, but a link to their website is below if you are interested in trying it for yourself. I recommend it because I just think it's a lot of fun. So let's dig into it. I've cut it open, but I haven't opened it yet, so let's just open it. Ta-da! Okay, that's what it looks like. First, we have the freebie item, which is a coconut ultra hydrating paper mask. So that's awesome. I love these paper masks. I think they're so cool. Ooh, and then we have a pair of earrings from Russe. This gold dangly pair, and I think a piece kind of came off here, but I think I can get it back on. This is from Russe, and we'll hold that up here. I just found out that on my camera, the screen flips. So I didn't know it did that. My husband is perplexed as to how I missed that detail. But I've always kind of blindly hoped, you know, take test shots and blindly hope that I was in the shot right, which is why my head's cut off half the time. So regardless, hopefully I won't be cutting off my head anymore because now I realize I can actually see myself. So that's exciting. Anyways, love these earrings. Absolutely love them. Okay, next up we have this blouse. Just kind of has a, oh, it's a dress. Oh, I like you. I like you a lot, my friend. Okay, so this is from Russe 21. Which I do have a shopping haul coming up where I get a couple things from Russe 21. Never shopped there before. Anyways, so this is a kind of a pinkish, maroonish, again, I'm horrible with colors, dress. And it's got this brown belt around it and these 3/4 sleeves on it. Tab sleeves, which I still love a tab sleeve, so I love that. And a couple of buttons down the front, almost like a Henley type front. Oh, I love that. Really like this dress. I tell you, my stylist for Stylestarter, I love her. This is my third box. Go back and watch the other two if you haven't seen them already. One, she can pick out an amazing pant that fits me and is not too long. And two, I just really like what she picks out for me. Okay, last up we have a pair of leggings, and this is from Russe, and I'm assuming, you know, these will go on under the dress. Awesome. I really like my outfit. Let's try it on now. Okay, we're still figuring out the background here. I'm trying this little accordion divider thingy, and I still have the tag on this because I just want to see how it looks before we finalize this setup. Okay, anyways, I have my outfit on. So first of all, I'm really not positive that these leggings are supposed to go under the dress, although it does look really nice with them off. So I'm guessing so, but I am going to check with the stylist and make sure it wasn't just like here's a dress, and also here's a pair of leggings. I think one of the things I'm going to request is maybe for her to start sending styling notes, because I think that's always really helpful when they say pair it with a jacket, pair it with some booties, help you figure out how to style things for people like me who just don't really know what they're doing when it comes to fashion. But I really like the dress. I like the color, which mauve, that's the word I couldn't think of before, mauve. And I think it's a great length. I think it's very cute. I like the belt on it. It's slightly big on top, only slightly. But I think this is potentially a dress I'd be wearing like a jean jacket over or something like that. So no biggie. I really like it. I think it's cute. Let's do a very quick recap now. Almost forgot to show you guys the earrings. I really love these. I've been getting more into kind of the larger statement type earrings. I've got this long hair, and I think, you know, it makes me look less boring to have some cool earrings on. So love these, love, love, love these. Okay, that was my outfit. To just quickly recap. So for me, since I bought the 3-month subscription, I'm paying less than 40 bucks per box, so that is fantastic. And I got a dress, a pair of leggings, these awesome earrings that I'm going to wear all the time, and a face mask, and I think that is a great deal. So that is why I love this box so much. Again, if you are interested, the link is below. If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Thank you so much. See you next time.